Daddy's little mechanic is busy fixing his wagon. Just checking that the wheel alignment is right. Got enough oil. Checking the alignment of the axles. Seeing how much thread we have left on our tires. I think we'll get another 100,000 out of those. Another 100,000 steps. Yeah. They look aligned. I think it'll be good.